My name is Clara. I have been a radiographer for over 12 years and I have worked for the NHS for 8 years. I am here to add my voice to the brave people standing up against the COVID-19 vaccine mandate and risking their jobs by doing this. I have chosen not to take the COVID-19 vaccine, and as a result I find myself under unprecedented and growing pressure by our government and my employer. Where there is a risk, there must be a choice, and for me the benefits of receiving this vaccine do not outweigh the risk. I have had COVID and it was not pleasant, but I've had worse times with other viruses in the past. I will not protect anyone by getting this vaccine, as the evidence shows that we can still transmit this virus after being vaccinated. Also, there is no long-term safety data for these products, and the yellow card data so far is worrying. So what is left is that I would have to take a vaccine with potential risk for an illness that I already have the antibodies for. I'm not anti-vax and I'm also not vaccine hesitant, two labels that have been designed to denigrate the COVID-19 vaccine skeptic, to make them look silly. The government is weaponizing fear during this pandemic and the measures taken are out of proportion. As of the 19th of March 2020, COVID-19 is no longer considered to be a high-consequence infectious disease in the UK. Yet the government and the mainstream media keep creating a state of fear. We must evaluate the claims made by those in power. If we want to save the NHS, let us start by addressing the staffing shortages. During the last 2 years, I have felt increasingly alone, isolated and stressed at work, as the government and media have successfully segregated and alienated people from each other. I hope that this video will help others that are feeling as alone as I have in the recent months. You are not alone. Let our voice be heard and let us stand together.